Hey guys, welcome back to the Aesthetic Sketchbook series. So today I'll be painting an Impressionist wildflower, and next week I'll be back from my vacation, so I'm looking forward to working on my larger pieces again. So since this is my last video, I'm going to be taking a break from a voiceover tutorial because I kind of crammed the 8 videos in the span of 2 weeks to keep the channel alive, and I'm so sick of voiceovers. So anyway, I hope you like this simple painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin, and I'll see you again at my premiere next week. Goodbye.
This way, it's making you cry. Every time you give your love to me this way, saying you wait for me to stay. You give your love to me this way. Maybe I change for you someday, but I can't help the way I feel. Wish I was good, wish that I could, but I can't help the way I feel. were walking slow, drinking a Slurpee in a peach baseball cap, falling in my lap. You were so thirsty, thirsty. You whispered your love